Right, bring the next one forward.
Clear on the left.
Weight is locked in, 55, 200.
Tippler stabilized. Confirming feeder engagement.
Feeder engaged. Flow rate looks good.
Check the pressure levels on tandem 1.
Holding steady, gap is clear, we are good for the first pass.
In this pressurized vessel, sulfur dioxide gas is injected into the lime juice, smoothly agitated to reduce color and inhibit inversion.
Pressure holding steady at 40 psi. Good, the seals look fine. Keep the flow consistent.
The rotary vacuum filter efficiently recovers residual sugar.
Increase the steam flow by 5%.
Acknowledged. Flow adjusted and stable.
Slowly and rhythmically, the massicrete is agitated within the crystallizers. This methodical cooling process
Spin rate steady at optimal levels. Noted.
Efficiency remains high and we are cleared for the washing stage.
Ensure the recirculation rate matches the boiling house demand.
It's synchronized. Pressure is stable.
Check the thermal reading on the far side.
It's holding steady. The moisture content is optimized. Ensure the ducts are fully sealed for maximum cooling.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal.
Manifest confirms 42. Keep the flow going.
Roger that. Moving in.
Increase the bagasse feed rate on conveyor 3.
Adjusting now, pressure stabilizing at 1200 psi.
Control to Unit 3, we have a confirmed alert in the packaging area. Acknowledge.
Unit 3, receiving loud and clear. Moving to investigate now.
We need to speed up the intake on this side.
Okay, I'm increasing the conveyor speed now.
The automated CIP system ensures rapid and synchronized cleaning, crucial for maintaining sterility across the production lines.
Silo 3 levels are stable at 98.5%.
Cross-referencing the flow rate now.
Weight bridge data confirms the output tonnage.
Pallets 40 through 45 are clear for transport to Dock 1. Confirm receipt.